Hello everyone. We got a few requests on how I edited this image. The initial color tuning was done in Lightroom free version and other edits in Snapseed. First I import this into Lightroom and go directly to the color menu and mix button. Here what you need to know is how the hue sliders work. Here you see the colors red, orange, yellow through to magenta. When you slide the red hue to the right, the color changes towards orange, likewise orange to yellow, yellow to green and so on. And then vice versa if you slide to the left. In this image I am going for more oranges to red tones. First I will move the greens to yellow by dragging the slider left. So here this is the maximum I can go. I'll add a little bit of saturation. I see there's a little tint of aqua here. You can see this if I move the luminance sliders. So aqua towards green and then yellows towards orange. As you can see, this is still not the look we want going by the colors. Now I'll save this and import the saved image again and repeat the process. Then I will move to Snapseed to make the image pop and look more interesting with some selective edits. First in Tune Image, I will reduce the highlights and increase the shadows to get some details back. Then we'll add an S-curve for some contrast. Then with the vintage filter for some vignetting. And then with Stags brush I will remove the mask in parts with various transparency values. This kind of works like dodging, brighten some parts for more interesting look. Next I will use selective filters to darken the sky a bit and add more color to the orange parts. And to make the image further pop, I will use curves to brighten the highlights by dragging the upper part of the curve. We'll try not to alter the shadows here, so the lower part of the curve remains the same. So here's the final image.